Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you Power Demon Fireworks, the Firestorm. It is the 504 series max load. 9 shots. So we have a straight up and straightforward, no nonsense, 9-shot cake in blue, red, purple, white, and gold. Loaded to the limit and very impressive in size. It's going to be a nice blue if that comes out like that for sure. Take a peek underneath. There it is. Your 2-inch, 9 shots. Again, I got this from Bada Boom Fireworks out of Lake CPA, who also is having their annual sit-down May 20th. Lots of sales at the store. The demo will be around dusk at the Pocono Raceway Fireworks. I hope you all can make it. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's get back to this. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll see you in the comments down below. It's your boy Rob. Let's check this thing out.
Number 4.